It was a beautiful plan to add an office remodel, but it's all about the details. When we were in the middle of the project, we found a lot of details that were missing on the original build of the house, especially in all 3 chimneys of this custom home.
So at the onset, we had a couple of things that were bothering us with the house. Just design issues that had never been properly settled. We had a rooftop deck that was right behind me, and it had leaked on multiple occasions. We had tried to deal with it, and each time, after a few years, we'd have another problem, and we had flooding. In addition, the front of the house, somebody had cut a corner, had not put a post in, and the roof was sagging. And so we wanted to at least shore that up, enclose the room that was leaking, and also take advantage of the opportunity to beautify things a little bit. So what was originally a small project with 2 parts grew into something much bigger, but definitely went in the way that we wanted it to, and we ended up with a house that's much more useful and a lot more attractive than I had expected it would be.
My 2 favorite pieces in this project, one of them is the beautiful floor mat tile in front of the bathtub in the primary bathroom, and then the other is the glass chandelier. I think it's about 24 beautiful bulbs that are hanging down, and it's just an outstanding piece inside the space.
There are so many details in this project, I'm surprised you can only pick 2. If we're sticking to 2, my 2 would be this. One is a vaulted ceiling with the clear fir beams. They're spectacular. They were all hand cut, hand designed at a factory locally up in Bellingham, and worked with a framer to go up there and actually get every detail cut to the precise cut of the roof and the room on this complex remodel. Other detail I like a lot is the vaulted entry into the house with the clear cedar in the entry and the backlit lighting with a can light there. Just gives a nice punch for welcoming for guests at the front door.
A design element in the home office is this window that's translucent to allow light to transfer from the office into the bathroom, while at the same time being a whiteboard while you're working. And I'll tell you, that gets you going.
To the bathroom?
Creative juices, not to the bathroom. God!
Over time, we developed a rapport to where I knew that they wanted the right thing for me. And so anytime I raised a question, their focus was immediately on let's figure out the right way to do it.